Okay, rice cake machine SYP4509, 45 and 9 pieces. 4509 CE. Heat coated mold and switch box separated. And additional aluminum lamp for Croatia. Same type. Okay, 45 diameter and thickness very thin type. The temperature is 235 and 4 switches here and 3 dial controllers, speed 4.7, thickness 00 and depth of core is 3.0 as the first setting. And pressure. Around 110, 20. After check or set the pressure gauge, you have better close it to use longer. And then just button here. Okay. And standard cylinder there, and below that is a pressure support valve to keep the stable pressure. And 3 solenoid valves to provide electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the machine movement. Okay, quick phase motor and pump, oil tank and fan will be on all the time during the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice mix. It's a feeding plate. And the feeding before the first sensor is turned off. When the feeding plate come back to the end, it's turned on again. Otherwise, you can switch the next step. There's 2 springs the feeding plate bring back, and drive motor and gear head make a feeding plate go forward. Oil valve, check valve, and leaf valve. Leaf valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the electric wrench, clockwise it is pressure, counterclockwise it is pressure. The 3 solenoid valves, aluminum block, motor, and oil tank there. Okay, and there's a control box. It's inverter, 60 Hz. SSR, the temperature stable, and the breaker and contactor. There's a relays on PCB. PCB is a brain of this machine. Transformer there, and oil tank, hydraulic oil 20 liters inside. Right. Yeah, okay.